In this video, we are going to show you how to use the StampnGo platform and the StampnGo merchant app. To start, go to StampnGo.com, click on Business, scroll down, and click on Register Now. Fill in a simple registration form with the name of your business, for example, Morning Cafe BV, country, your name, and email address. And create a password. Verify using Google CAPTCHA. When that's done, click on Sign Up, and that's it. Your business has been registered. The first page you will see is your main dashboard page. Now let's go through your to-do list step by step. Start with filling in your business details. Click on Settings, Business Info, and click Edit in the top right-hand corner. Upload your logo type so customers can easily recognize you. Check your business name, category, and legal name. Fill in your business address, which can be different from your real address. Check your country and set the correct time zone. Finally, type in your telephone number and click Save. You'll see your updated information on the settings page. The next step is to add your location or multiple locations. As you can see, it's our next to-do task. Click on Settings, Business Info, scroll down to Locations, and click the Add button. Fill in the name of your location. This is the name that your customers will see in the StampnGo app. Fill in your address and click Search. It will place a marker on Google Maps. Next, fill in your telephone number. Finally, fill in your work hours for each day. Click Save. If you have multiple locations, just click on the Add button again and repeat the process. The next step is to create your first campaign. Go to Campaigns, then click on New Campaign and choose Stamp Card. Fill in the form. Start by choosing an image file for your campaign. It should be a relevant image that explains your offer. Fill in the title, for example, Buy 8, Get 1 Free. Next, give a description of the campaign. Keep it short and understandable for users. Now, set the amount of stamps on your card. Remember that this amount includes the stamp prize. In our example, it's 9. Set a repeatable option. This indicates whether it's a one-time offer per customer or repeatable. Set an expiration date if the offer is available only for a short period of time. Fill in tags so users can find your offer via a search panel. Choose the locations where the offer will be available. Turn the campaign status to On and click Save. Your offer now is on moderation. The moderation process takes less than 24 hours. Click on Settings, Staff. You can see a list of people who have access to your account. Click on the Add button to add a new member. You can search for your colleague by email, but please note that they must be registered on the StampnGo app. Click on Add. As you can see, the new member has a staff role. There are 2 roles on the platform. Managers have access to both the dashboard and StampnGo merchant app. Staff only have access to the merchant app. If you ever want to change a member's role, just click Edit. Click on Settings, Staff to see a list of people who can access your StampnGo merchant app account. The StampnGo merchant app is available on both the App Store and on Google Play. Download the app and log in with your account information. The app generates unique QR codes that your customers can scan and receive digital stamps. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please visit www.stampngo.com/business or send an email to partners@stampngo.com.